So good afternoon, children. I hope you all are fit and fine. Today we are going to revise English grammar, that is verb. We are going to revise verb. So, word of the day. First write word of the day, threatening. Threatening. Word of the day, threatening. T-H-R-E-A-T, threatening. N-I-N-G, threatening. It is an adjective. Tanish, yes Tanish. Your voice is not coming. फिर से बोलो. Yes. Yes. हाँ. Sorry dear, your voice is not getting. I'm not getting your voice. Please write in your copy threatening. It means expressing a threat of something unpleasant or violent. That is threatening. Expressing a threat of something unpleasant or violent. Okay? Riddle of the day. If you want to write in your copy, that you can write. Riddle of the day. What can be underwater, under fire, on fire, and taking water at the same time? What can be underwater, under fire, on fire, and taking water at the same time? The answer is submarine. Answer is submarine. Yes, Akshat.
मैम आज तो हमारी जीके क्लास थी. यस मैम.
नहीं बेटा, सेकेंड पीरियड यू आर हैविंग इंग्लिश.
मैम बट हम लोगों को तो ये पता चला है कि जीके थी.
नहीं बेटा, आपके टाइम टेबल खोलो, देखो वहां लिखा है.
मैम यस.
ओपन योर टाइम टेबल. ओपन योर टाइम टेबल.
यस मैम 1 मिनट.
देखो ट्यूसडे इंग्लिश. योर जीके इज ऑन फ्राइडे. आपका जीके पीरियड फ्राइडे को है.
मैम 1 मिनट.
Now come to, so you have you written riddle of the day, word of the day, threatening, and this is riddle of the day. I hope you have written. Now come to the exercise. I will ask you question, you have to tell me the answer. Yes Kavisha.
मैम एक बार रिडल ऑफ द डे दिखाइए ना.
Riddle of the day. Okay. चैत्य, चैत्य, सबका कैमरा ऑन करो. योर कैमरा मस्ट बी ऑन. चैत्य जैन, कैन यू हियर मी? चैत्य जैन. आर्य. Please, beta, after completing my class, send me the pic of your art integration of EVS. कच्चा हाउस पक्का हाउस EVS का था art integration में. है ना। और गुजराती कल्चर था, गुजराती फेस्टिवल।
मैम मुझे पता ही
क्या पता नहीं बेटा, सितंबर मंथ में हम लोग किए थे आर्ट इंटीग्रेशन का। कच्चा हाउस पक्का हाउस भी दिए थी मैं ईवीएस में।
मैम क्या करना है।
Okay, I will tell you after the class. If you don't know, then leave it. Anmol, I want your photographs also. Now come to the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with was or were. I hope you will able to see my screen. Now, Kavisha Goel. Number
यस मैम।
number one. Read the
ईयरफोन लगाड़ीस बंद करीस।
Kavisha, read the question. I dash crossing the red light when accident took place. So what is the correct answer? Was या were? बोलो।
मैम was
Was या were? Was. Yes. The correct answer is was. Next. Sheena dash at home yesterday. Akshay, tell me the answer. Number 2.
Yes, ma'am. Sheena was at home yesterday.
Correct.
Sheena was.
Why you are using was? Because singular.
मैम क्योंकि ये कल की बात हो रही है।
Yes.
मैम कल की बात हो रही है।
No, that is correct. We are talking about past. That is correct. But why you are using was? Because only single person is there. Singular person is there. That
Yes, ma'am.
was.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, Anmol. Number 3. You dash very busy on Monday. Read the question also. Read the question also, Anmol. Number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the question and answer also, tell me.
You very busy on Monday. Ma'am, answer is wrong.
Anmol,
आंसर बताया नहीं बोलना।
answer
मैं अभी तक आंसर बताया ही नहीं हूँ मैम। आंसर इज was.
Answer is
You was very busy on Monday.
you was very busy.
Yes, ma'am.
Akshat, what you are telling, the answer is wrong.
Yes, मैम वो पहले वर बोल रहा था।
No, no, no.
मैंने कुछ बोला ही नहीं हूँ।
Answer बताया. You was. Okay. Next. Risha.
ये बता क्या कर
Risha. Number 4.
Yes, ma'am. I was so happy yesterday.
I was so happy yesterday. Correct. Darshil.
मैम कौन सा बताना है?
Number 5.
मैम was.
No. First read the question. First read the question.
They working on their chemistry project.
They dash working on their chemistry project. So what is the correct answer?
Where?
Was या where?
Where?
Where? क्यों? क्यों? Why?
क्योंकि कुछ वर्क है।
क्योंकि they is not a single person. they मतलब एक जन है क्या?
No, ma'am.
No. They is not a single person.
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही। मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
1 minute, 1 minute. So the correct answer is where. They were working on their chemistry. Why?
प्रोजेक्ट।
Because they is a plural person. That's why where is the correct answer. Next, Darshil completed. Okay, Aditya. Next, Aditya.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 6.
She dash is in she dash in USA last month. She was in USA last month.
Was in USA last month because she single person.
मैम सिंगल पर्सन के लिए है
Was
और दे मतलब एक से ज्यादा पर्सनों के लिए, इसीलिए was होगा।
she was in USA last month. Correct answer. Next, Dharya.
Yes, ma'am.
Did she read the question first? Number 7.
Did she say that doing?
She dash doing.
Ma'am was.
Correct answer. Did she say what she was doing? Soham.
Ma'am.
They dash. Read the question. Number 8.
They in front of the garden. Yes, ma'am.
The correct answer.
Good afternoon.
Correct answer. Bolo Soham.
Was.
No, wrong. Not was. They है यहाँ पर. They dash in front of the garden. So what you have to use? They is not a single person. So they were. They were in front of the garden. Okay. Next, Arya. Number 8. Arya Jain.
Yes.
Number 8.
Yes.
Read.
They dash.
Number
They
7.
we dash it at school late Sunday.
No, L-A-S-T. Last. Not late. Last Sunday.
We dash at school last Sunday.
So the correct answer.
We
बोलो. Was या were? कौन सा है आंसर?
we was.
Yes. Correct. We was. Why? Because we is not a single person. We मतलब एक है क्या? We means हम लोग. We are the student. We are the girls. We are the boys. We are the Indians. We means not a single person. We means बहुत सारा है. So that's we have to use. We were at school last Sunday. Next, Tanish. Where dash they playing? Tanish Jain. Number 10. Tanish. Anmol. Number 10.
Where dash they play? Where was they playing?
No, was is a wrong answer. They is
Then where was playing?
yes, where were they playing? They is there, na? So you have to use where. Aditya,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. Question number 11.
The boys dash climbing on the tree. The boys.
The boy.
Ma'am, was.
No, was is wrong answer. Boys, plural number is there. The boys.
मैम वेयर इसलिए क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग हैं इसीलिए बहुत सारे बच्चे
Climbing on the tree. The boys were climbing on the tree. Okay.
बहुत सारे लोग हैं इसलिए वेयर
So the boys were climbing on the tree. Kavisha. Number 12. Number 12. Read the question part.
कंट्रोल बाहर कैसे बात कर रहा था फिर?
Number 12. Kavisha.
पढ़ाई नहीं कर, 2 तमाचा मार दूंगी, देख लेना भी.
Yes, Kavisha, tell me. Number 12.
Reena and
जोर से बोलो.
Reena and Meena dash left for school.
Reena and Meena dash late for school. So the correct answer?
Ma'am, where?
Where? Yeah, was.
Ma'am, was.
Was.
Yes, ma'am.
Wrong answer.
Ma'am,
Meena and Reena. How
Where?
many persons are there?
ma'am, मैंने पहले
That means
where?
sure about that. आपको अगर मैं कंफ्यूज कर दूं तो आप कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे. You are not sure about that.
Ma'am, where?
Where is the correct answer? क्यों? Because Reena and Meena,
Because Reena and Meena, two girls.
two girls. That's why Meena and Reena were late for school. Now getting my point? Now next. Laksh. इतना दिन बाद स्कूल क्लास ज्वाइन कर रहे हो?
मैम मेरे को लगा कि मैम जीके की है तो मैं उसमें गया था.
Laga. Please follow the new timetable. So Laksh, tell me the answer. I dash reading. Was ya where?
I was.
Was, because I was reading. Correct. Risha. She dash sleeping. Jaldi bolo.
she was sleeping.
She was sleeping. Soham.
Yes, ma'am.
Her baby dash crying. Fast.
Yes,
Our baby dash crying.
her baby was crying.
Correct. Her baby was crying. Anmol. Anmol.
Yes, ma'am.
अनमोल, आप क्या कर रहे हो मुझे बताओगे? प्लीज सिट इन अ
सही
प्लेस.
बात तो है, बैठ के पढ़ाई नहीं करता.
पूरे घर में आप घूम रहे हो. What is this? मैं बिल्कुल क्लास से आपको बाहर निकाल दूंगी. Don't attend.
No, ma'am.
सही बात है, बेशर्मी तो.
चलो, read the question. Question number 4. जल्दी.
The boys was swimming.
Wrong answer. The boys was swimming.
The boys were swimming.
Yes. So many boys are there. Not only single boy is there. So many boys. So the correct answer is where? Arya. Number 5. Fast. Arya, jaldi read karo. Number 5.
They were jumping on the bed.
Bed. Absolutely correct answer. They were jumping on the bed because They, not a single
They,
person.
more than one.
More than one. Correct. Dharya. Dharya.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 6.
The
Number 6.
number 6.
A lot of
A lot of students working.
was your
Where?
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 Where? Very good. A lot of students were working. Correct answer. Darshil. Number 7. Number 7.
What was you doing?
What was you doing? What were you doing? You के साथ हमेशा क्या यूज होता है? What was you doing? Correct. Aditya. Their babies dash happy.
Their babies were happy.
Correct. Their babies were happy.
मैम क्योंकि बहुत सारे बेबीज हैं.
So many babies are there, more than one.
Yes, ma'am. इसीलिए where?
Chaityajan, Akshat. Akshat, number 9.
Yes, ma'am. A man was walking his dog.
Correct. The man was walking his dog because only single man. Chaityajan,
Yes, ma'am.
can you hear me?
Ma'am is not unmuting himself.
I called him so many times, but he didn't reply.
Yes, ma'am.
Next,
Ma'am always.
Laksh, number 10. Laksh, number 10. Number 10. Laksh. Fast.
Ma'am, answer is was.
Number 10.
He was working hard.
He was working hard. Absolutely correct answer.
Was. And because only he.
Correct. Next. Risha. I dash an apple every day. I dash an apple every day.
I
Dash an apple every day.
eat.
Yes, Risha. Eat. I eat an apple every day.
Yes, ma'am.
Kavisha. Kavisha. Number 2. Read the question first. Read the question first.
Let's dash for some ice cream.
Ah,
Let's eat some ice cream. Eat.
चुप रहना.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, let's eat some ice cream.
Let's. Yes, ma'am.
और आप ये भी बोल सकते हो let's scoop some ice cream. मैंने आपको एक word meaning दिया था ना. I have given one word meaning, that is what is the meaning of scoop? 4 dragon.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the meaning of scoop?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will tell the answer? What is the word meaning of scoop?
Ma'am cooked.
Not scoop.
Ma'am taking some water and any creamy and liquid form things in a little ma'am form. Little
Anyone और कौन बताएगा मुझे what is the word meaning of scoop? Darshil, can you tell me what is the word meaning of scoop?
Ma'am don't know.
Don't know. I have already given this word. Daily I am giving new word and you are writing on your copy, but you are not
Learning worksheet.
learning at all.
And what is today's word of the day?
The screenshot ले ले
Of the day. Before ending my class, I will.
speed is equals to distance upon time.
So आपको जो मैंने वर्ड मीनिंग दिया है उसको लर्न भी करना है, सिर्फ डायरी में नहीं लिखना है. You have to learn all the word meanings. Daily I am giving new word. Okay, so here you can use scoop. Let's scoop some ice cream. Let's eat some ice cream. It is also correct. So next, Aditya, number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the question.
We dash still for our
We
still for our picture.
बोलो.
Answer is
कौन सा appropriate verb इसमें ऐड हो सकता है?
yes, ma'am. Stood.
We stand, not stood. We stand still for our picture. Yes. It is also correct answer. Dharya. Read question number 4. Read question number 4, Dharya. Tim
Tim
does to his cousin. Tim dash letters to his cousin. The correct answer?
Return. Ma'am, return.
सही बोल रहे हो, बोलो धैर्य. बोलो धैर्य. हाँ.
blanket
Blanket. Team blanket letters. Blanket का मतलब पता है? Do you know what is the meaning of blanket? धैर्य, do you know what is the meaning of blanket? आपको पता है blanket का मतलब क्या है? जब बहुत ज्यादा ठंड लगती है तो आप क्या ओढ़ के सोते हो? ब्लैंकेट ओढ़ के सोते हो. So blanket is not a word. Blanket is noun. It is a naming word. आपको यहाँ verb लगाना है. Keep that letter to his cousin. धैर्य, आंसर बताओ मुझे.
रजाई.
The answer is, Arya, can you tell me the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me. Number 4.
Ma'am, 4 now.
हाँ.
Till dash letters of his
Cousin.
cousin.
Tim. Dash letters to his cousin. ये आएगा, ये, this one. This one is the correct answer. Tim writes letter to his cousin. Tim writes. Why writes? Why not write? Because third person singular number. He, she, it, any name, third person singular number. So that time you have to add S or ES. So Tim writes letter to his cousin. So the answer is Tim writes letter to his cousin. Okay, Soham. Number 5. We dash to playground after school. Soham,
Yes, ma'am.
we dash to playground after school. We बोलो सोहम.
We
Yes, love. Do you know the answer?
ma'am, we go to the playground after school.
Yes, it's very easy. We go to playground after school. Soham, are you listening?
Yes,
Ma'am, I
ma'am.
know next.
We go to playground after school. Why we goes? यहाँ पर goes क्यों नहीं हुआ? Because we is not third person singular number. है ना? Singular number होना चाहिए. वो person single होना चाहिए. तभी उसमें s और es ऐड होगा. जैसे he goes, she goes, Laksh goes, Arya goes, it goes. Okay? So we go to playground after school. Next, Anmol. Number 6.
The singer dash a sad song.
बोलो.
A singer song.
A singer is
A singer
is a singer is
A singer. The singer is a sad song.
No. Singer is a sad song. मतलब जो गायक है वो एक sad song है. Singer is a sad song अगर बोलोगे. I am a boy.
Singer is a sad song.
I am a student मतलब मैं एक student हूँ. He is a boy मतलब वो एक लड़का है. So singer is a sad song. Singer is a sad song मतलब सिंगर खुद एक सैड सॉन्ग है. ये हो सकता है? नहीं. तो सिंगर sings a sad song. Sings means
sing बोलना था.
is an action word and as well as
The singer
sings.
sad song.
Sings means गाना गाना. जब हम walk, sleep, jump, talk, okay, look, ये सब action word है. So these are all verbs. So the singer sings a sad song. Okay, so Anmol, correct answer is the singer sings a sad song. Okay, अब मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनो. जैसे क्लास खत्म होगा सबसे पहले आपका 2 काम है. एक आर्ट इंटीग्रेशन का प्रोजेक्ट की जो फोटोग्राफ्स है कच्चा हाउस और पक्का हाउस उसका फोटोग्राफ्स भेजोगे. दोज हु हैव नॉट सेंड, चैत्य जैन, आप पूरे क्लास तक मैं आपको चिल्ला रही हूँ चैत्य वेयर आर यू. I was shouting continuously Chaitya Jain, but you didn't give reply. Chaitya Jain. Okay, so number work is project, art integration project. That I want the photographs. Those who have sent, good. Those who have not sent, please send me the photographs. Both EVS and as well as English. EVS प्रोजेक्ट कच्चा हाउस पक्का हाउस के फोटोग्राफ्स मुझे बहुत जन का फोटोग्राफ्स मिल चुका है. I have got some photographs, but those who have not sent, please send me now after completing my class. एक और चीज, please send me the notes of your annual exam. सारे बच्चों की जो नोट्स है वो ओपन नहीं हो रहा है, तो मैंने फिर से नोट्स भेजने के लिए आप लोगों को रिक्वेस्ट कर रही हूँ. रीशा, I have got your notes. अक्षत, I have got your notes. अनमोल, बाकी जो जितने बच्चे हैं सबका नोट्स मुझे चाहिए. I want your notes. I have got, but some folder have not opened. So I want the PDF file only. I don't want image file. मुझे इमेज नहीं चाहिए, मुझे PDF बना के भेजोगे कैम स्कैनर में फोटो खींचने के बाद. ओके? Please send me notes of EVS and English, both. Only annual portions, EVS chapter 12, chapter 13, 17 and 18 और इंग्लिश के भी 4 चैप्टर्स, फेरीज, फिर और क्या है, क्या क्या उनका उससे चैप्टर है, किसको याद है अभी भी एनुअल के चैप्टर्स? रीशा को देखते हैं. यस रीशा, टेल मी हाउ मेनी चैप्टर्स आर कमिंग एनुअल एग्जाम?
मैम इंग्लिश में 4 ड्रैगन्स, फेरीज आ रहे हैं, द अनहैप्पी ट्री एंड मैजिक कार्पेट.
Very good. Magic carpet, unhappy tree, 4 dragon
एंड और फेरीज.
fairies. ठीक है? So यही chapters ही, only that much chapters you have to.
और ईवीएस में टाइप्स ऑफ हाउसेस, एनिमल्स वी कीप, और वो क्या था, वाटर शेयरिंग इंफॉर्मेशन, और वो 17th वाला
travel.
नो कुछ और था मैम.
याद ही नहीं है मैम.
बस वो एक चैप्टर याद नहीं है, बाकी सारे मुझे याद है.
Time of children, please do fast. So, take care. Bye bye. Next class we will meet you again. Bye.
कैसे की बाय मैम.